Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by signing in with your work or school account and verifying Viva Engage access. This unlocks community features. Once done, update your profile photo, job title, and add a few interests so discovery works for you. Now join an existing community or create one, pick public versus private based on visibility and governance. Make your first post, add a clear subject, attach files or images, and tag topics to boost reach. These initial steps get content flowing and set expectations. You now move into regular activity. Craft posts that answer specific needs, use polls for quick feedback, and run Q&A sessions for structured conversations. Once done, leverage announcements and pin critical posts so everyone sees them. Schedule posts to match peak engagement times. Make sure to tag topics and mention contributors to draw attention. At the same time, set clear community rules and assign moderators to maintain quality, because sustained engagement depends on governance and predictable behavior. You finish by publishing with a clear call to action and by scheduling follow-ups so conversations continue. Once posts are live, monitor engagement via Community Insights and Viva Analytics to see what resonates and to iterate quickly. Make sure to export learnings and adjust topics or post cadence accordingly. If something goes wrong, first verify permissions, service status, and Microsoft 365 Sync. That single troubleshooting step fixes most access and visibility problems, so try it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.